I'm Eugene. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the difference between two mascaras. I'm going to be doing a little comparison for you guys. I hope you all had a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I'd like to thank Influenster for sponsoring this video for us today. Mascaras that I'm going to be reviewing today are the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit, this one. So I typically use this all the time, it's my go-to mascara, but I just received a new one from Influenster. This one is the Fenty Beauty, I think it's called Full Volume Mascara. Oh, Full Frontal Mascara. So Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara looks like this. And then we're gonna do a comparison on each. I think I'm gonna do the new Fenty one on my left eye, and I'm gonna use the Bad Gal Bang on my right eye, and let's see which one works better. I'm gonna start with the Bad Gal Bang because this is my go-to, and I'm just going to do my right eye really fast. I absolutely love this product and the formula too. I feel like it's so long lasting. And also this is super hard to do without a mirror. It's kind of clumping. I'm gonna go fix it. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I just finished applying the Bad Gal Bang to my right eye, and this is the final look. As you can see, I love how much volume it really gives my eye. It's such a subtle difference. Yeah. Now let's try a full front. So in the directions for this, it says to start with the flat end and then lift and curl. Again, this is so hard to do without a mirror, so I'll be right back. And here is the full frontal eye. As you can tell, they're both pretty even. This one did clump up a little bit more, while this Bad Gal Bang gave me a lot more volume. I cannot speak today, oh my gosh. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this review and it helped you. I would definitely choose Bad Gal Bang. Although the Fenty Full Frontal is nice, it's always new to try something new. It might work better for you than it did for me, so let me know, and I'll let you know in the comments below which one lasts longer throughout the day. Really give you guys some perspective on my end. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.